Making homemade, mouth-watering pasta, pizza, and bread is simple and satisfying with the Cuisinart Pasta Perfetto pasta bread dough maker. With 6 pasta discs, the Pasta Perfetto can automatically mix, knead, and extrude up to 1 pound of fresh pasta. Create spaghetti, rigatoni, fusilli, small macaroni, fettuccine, and bucatini in only 20 minutes from start to finish. Mix and knead up to 1 pound of ready-to-rise bread dough or create delicious homemade pizza dough. The control panel has 4 buttons. Auto Stop, which automatically mixes and extrudes pasta. Knead is used to automatically create pasta and bread doughs. Extrude to manually extrude the remaining pasta dough. And Mix to manually mix quick breads. It's easy to operate. Just open the lid to add your dry ingredients, then close it and add your liquid ones by using the slot as the dough is mixing. During the mixing process, you can open the lid to pause the cycle and check your progress, or just view it through the clear chamber. The Pasta Perfetto comes with both dry and liquid measuring cups, an integrated storage drawer and bag, plus a cleaning tool. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe.
This is your Orange Ninja Mini Kitchen Knife Sharpener. It features 2 distinct slots, coarse for reviving dull blades and fine for honing and refining blades. It also includes a magnetic base and a bottle opener. To begin, be sure to place the sharpener on a stable surface. For dull blades, slide the knife through the coarse slot marked with the letter C. Slide the blade 5 to 7 times, moving in one direction only. If the blade is very dull, add more passes as needed. For regular honing, or after using the coarse slot, slide the knife through the fine slot, marked with an F. Do so 5 to 7 times, adding more passes if necessary. The Mini Kitchen Knife Sharpener includes a magnetic base so you can conveniently attach it to your refrigerator. Plus, easily open various bottles using the attached bottle opener.